then this is the place where you can come and relax and eat whatever you want. You can purchase the hot and cold drinks and refill for free. That is awesome. And most of the cuisines are not Indian, they are Swedish. They have a full designated pantry just like a 5-star hotel where you can come and try dishes. And as expected, चेन्नई में यही मिलना था.
Having delicious veg ball platter, Swedish style, and upma.
उपमा ऐड करना ज़रूरी था. If you are a team of 8, you can sit here. If you are a team of 12, there is big family station where you can go and sit in a round table like this. So everywhere you can just go and chill and enjoy and see, and even buy whatever you want.